just spent 6 nights bleaching my teeth, and I really like the results. I really think the difference before and after is amazing. I think as we get older, we need to freshen up our teeth a little bit because otherwise they get gray and they make us look older. So anyway, here's me going through the motions of getting my teeth whitened. I went and had my temporary crown put on yesterday. Talk about hurt like a you know what. I literally had to come home and take a pain pill. What I'm doing now, they're not going to order my permanent one until I do 7 treatments of 30 minutes each of the whitening. And so they're going to wait to order the permanent one when I'm done that. I literally had to find my mouth guard because it's been so long since I used it. So last year I was supposed to get 2 of them done. I mean, I should get 2 of them done this year too, but they wanted me to pay $2,700, and that was after the deductible. And I was like, no, I'm not doing that. So I waited until November when you sign up for the benefits, and I signed up for the HSA for $1,200 because I didn't want to do so much that some might be left over at the end of the year. And I used that to pay for this. That was a lower shoot. All right, I hope I did it right. I taste the mint. Let's hope this works. Okay. And now I wait 30 minutes. Now I wait 30 minutes. It's kind of burning a little bit. I don't think that's supposed to be happening. Not so bad that it's painful, but I'm ready to take them out. It has been 30 minutes. So let's see. God, I think you can already tell. God, can you already tell? That's amazing. What? It's very thick. That's what she said. Oh gosh, that's my favorite. Okay, that's the end of day 1. See you tomorrow. Okay. All right, and this is the bottom. Okay, so it's in. I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes. Okay, it's ready. I took a nice hot bath while waiting on the 30 minutes to be up, so I'm gonna take them out now. I didn't even really tell a difference. Dang. I think I can tell though. All right, see you tomorrow night. Hey, it's the night of day 3. I'm going to put my gel in the tooth mold or whatever you call it. You might be like, why are you so dressed up? And it's because I had tea with Nancy today at lunch, and then I had dinner with Leslie. So I've had a great time. Okay, so this is the top one. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Here we go. I can really tell a big difference. I can't wait for the 7 days to be over. Okay, I'm gonna rinse these out. I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know if you can see me well, but I'm at my friend Bonnie's house. I'm house sitting, and I forgot to bring my tripod. So I'm gonna do the best I can. That one's in. Okay, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna take them out and then brush my teeth. Okay, that's the end of day 4. See you tomorrow. I'm so excited. I think it's working. Okay, I'm gonna take them off. What do you think? I like it. I think it's doing a really good job. It's been a rough day. My teeth are killing me on this side from where I had that crown. Like, it's really bad. But I'm gonna do this whitening thing anyway. I had YouTube on earlier and was just scrolling, and a song by Sheriff, When I'm With You, came on. Oh my God, I was like, that sounds really familiar. Like, well, reading it, it sounded really familiar. So when I played it, oh my gosh, total skating rink vibes. Go listen to it. Okay. I'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I'm definitely pleased with the progress so far. It's the last night bleaching my teeth, and I'm so excited. My poor little tooth is hurting so bad still, and it's been a week today, and this is just the temporary. So I can't imagine when the real one goes on. And I was thinking, why did this one hurt so much more than the other one? And the other one, I had a root canal. And you might be thinking, oh, the root canal was not bad. I mean, they numb it up and whatever. And when you wake up, there's no roots in there to feel the pain. So it was really not bad at all. But this one is really bad. It's been really bad. I've had to, a few different nights, take pain medicine, and it's just been awful. So anyway, I dread that. Okay, here goes. Okay, the timer just went off. I'm gonna take the thing out. Okay, let me brush my teeth. I wanted to show you how, now that I've bleached my teeth, how nice it looks with red lipstick, because I love red lipstick. And having the white will really make it pop. Or the lighter teeth. So I have 3 different ones that I like. Siren and Scarlet by Maybelline. It's a matte. Okay, here we go. Okay. See how it makes it pop? Okay, now I'm wearing my red lipstick. Okay, so that's one of them. It's raspberry, but looks like it's French raspberry. Oh, this is a Lancome. Bougie. You'll have to tell me which one you like best. This one is Refined Ruby from L'Oreal. I think this is the one that I like the most, but I don't actually recall. No. Oh my gosh, it's almost out. Do I have a lip brush? Is that what that is? Lip Defined. Yes. It really pokes out though. God dang. I guess it is my favorite if I'm almost out of it. I bet good money I can't find this again. What do you think? So thanks for joining me. I really think it's important to, for us to keep up with our teeth. Of course, that's one of the things that everyone always says they wish they took good care of. And one way we can do that and to help us as we age so that we age gracefully is to brighten our smile so that everyone sees us coming because we're bold and we're passionate and we're ready to take on the world. If you found this useful, I would love to have you here, so feel free to subscribe and maybe forward to a friend who you think could get some benefit out of it as well. Take care. Maybe that's the top. That was the top.